getting me a bit hungry there, but the market is opening, so we have other things to focus on. That's the first tick on the index. Good opening for the Nifty, up about 120 odd points. The mid-cap index is up almost 0.3%, and the bank Nifty is surging away, 300 points higher now on the bank Nifty. Top earners go to the metal stocks this morning. Hindalco, JSW Steel are your top gainers. Tata Steel not too far behind, up about 1%, so keep that on your radar. Followed by the banks, Kotak Mahindra Bank and financials, Bajaj Finance, you have IndusInd Bank, heavyweights like Reliance Industries. So there's a comeback from a lot of the heavyweights this morning. Titan is the other one, up about 1.5%. In fact, a couple of these names like Coal India, which have been big monthly gainers, Coal India is up almost 15% this month, is up an additional 0.5% right now. Similar is the case with SBI. Very strong commentary from the management. The stock is up almost about 0.5%. It's up 10% in the month of October. What's not doing well? SBI Life is under a bit of pressure. Power Grid, NTPC, Infosys coming in for a tad bit of profit taking, and Axis Bank just mildly in the red. Otherwise, it's a very good opening for the market, and the advance decline ratio as well is well in favor of advances, almost 1,800 stocks. It's metals once again that are taking top honors, and HDFC is your top gainer. But lots of traction in mid-caps as well.
Well, that's right. So now, metal index is doing well because the dollar index has cooled off, and NALCO as well in particular. Aluminum prices have moved up overnight, so that seems to be having a bit of a rub-off effect. Besides that, Dabur is up. It's reacting to that acquisition. You have a couple of other names as well that deserve special mention. Gland Pharma, the numbers are disappointing. The stock is down close to 5%. Crompton's numbers as well, on the growth parameter, they were lagging as well in the ECD business. So that stock as well opened up with a cut of around 2%. It's recovered a little bit. We had the management of South Indian Bank that just joined us, and they were sounding very, very optimistic. So that stock continues its upward trajectory. Remember, just a couple of months ago, it was it was at 9-10 rupees odd. Now it's at around 13 rupees or thereabouts. And a couple of other names, Unsold Properties, stock is up close to around 5%. Piramal Pharma, remember post-listing, the stock saw a one-way decline. It was hitting constant lower circuits with 5% lower. Now, in fact, it's holding with a cut of around 1% or thereabouts. So let's see whether or not bulk of that selling has already got absorbed. Lata.
Okay. Point taken. I mean, you've covered ground. I just wanted to point out two unexpected candidates who are at 52-week high, Cipla and Sun Pharma. I mean, 52-week highs for the stock. So just Pharma getting a look in.
Just one more, Lata. Nykaa. We remember the kind of excitement we had when it was listed. Yeah,
the lock-in is over.
It's back down to the IPO price now. 1,100 rupees, fresh 52-week low on that one. So keep an eye out on that one.
I think 10th November is when the lock-in expires. So then post that, there'll be so much more supply kicking in, perhaps, as, the large shareholders sort of choose to exit.
That's right.
Yeah, so that now we know that where the pudding has to be tested the day after lock-in.